Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna give you an honest review and application of Pat McGrath's Flesh No. 5 lipstick. I genuinely love the colors. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. If you like this video, share it, like it, leave a comment down below. So I'm gonna show you right now. This glides on like butter. It's wow. I was really concerned about the color being like really not for my complexion, but honestly this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. A little bit of this product goes a long way. Like, it really stretches. I actually did try it before and I actually ate twice, and honestly you don't really need to reapply. You can, like, you know, if a little bit from the center comes off, but honestly it's really long lasting. This is honestly a great investment. It's a good, like, it's a well spent $38. So I would recommend this Pat McGrath lipstick in the color Flesh 5. Thank you for watching.